Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Appwrite to a React application step by step. Integrating Appwrite with React lets you add powerful backend features like authentication, databases, storage, and serverless functions to your app without building your own backend. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and create a new project if you haven't already. Once your project is ready, add a web platform and enter the URL where your React app will run, such as your local development address or production domain. Appwrite will then provide your project ID and endpoint URL. Next, open your React project and install the official Appwrite SDK using your preferred package manager. After the installation is complete, create a configuration file and initialize the Appwrite client using your project's endpoint URL and project ID. Now, connect your React app to Appwrite by importing the initialized client wherever you need backend services. You can use Appwrite authentication for user sign-up and login, databases to store application data, storage to upload files, and functions to execute server-side logic directly from your React application. After setting everything up, run your React application and test the connection by creating a user account, retrieving database records, or uploading a sample file. If the request succeeds, your React app is successfully connected to Appwrite. Finally, review your Appwrite permissions and keep sensitive API keys on the server side only. This helps protect your application while allowing your React frontend to communicate securely with Appwrite. And that's it. You now know how to connect Appwrite to React and build modern web applications with a powerful backend. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.